Our L incubation equipment is made in single-stage and multi-stage models. These devices can hatch 16,800 to 120,960 eggs of a number of different types of poultry. Large capacity single-stage incubator. Using several patented technologies, this single-stage incubator has a large capacity that can accommodate a considerable amount of eggs and hatch large numbers of chicks or ducklings. Single-stage egg incubator. Using fuzzy control technology, the single-stage egg incubator can complete egg turning and configure the mixed flow fan. This device is easy to operate and has excellent performance. Multi-stage tunnel incubator. The tunnel incubator can realize multi-stage hatching with its heating system tunnels and independently controlled partitioned water cooling system. With the advanced intelligent temperature control system, the multi-stage tunnel incubator can incubate the hatching eggs with weights ranging from 50 to 82 grams. Airflow hatcher. Designed with a special O-type airflow, the airflow hatcher features superior ventilation capacity. It is energy efficient, has intelligent temperature control, and a disinfecting spray and humidifying feature.